GAE plus NDB plus Blobstore plus Google High Performance Image Serving. I'm making an app to upload text and images. I've read a lot about Blobstore and Google High Performance Image Serving, and finally I got a way to implement it all together. What I want to know is if all is well done or can be done in a better way, and also if it is better to save the serving_URL in the model or must be calculated every time I want to print the images in the page. There is a user and a picture only. This is the code, summarized. Forget about my custom.page handler, that only have functions to render the pages easily, and the stuff for check forms values, etc. Basically, I list all the pics, showing the image in a Jinja 2 template with this line. So in the list class I calculate each serving URL and add it temporarily to the model. I don't know exactly if it will be good to save it directly in the model, because I don't know if the URL can change with the time. Will be the URL permanent for the image? In that case I can save it instead of calculate, true? The send class only shows a form to upload the image and saves the data to the model. I always generate a new form_action link in the case of re-render the page, because docs talk about it. Is it right? The code is working, but I want to know which is the better way to do it, in terms of performance and resource saving.
You're right. You do want to save the get_serving_URL, instead of calling it repeatedly. It stays the same. Note that there's a delete_serving_URL, when you're done with the URL, like when you delete the blob.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.